it a Syrah?
Oh, it's the top. Oh, okay, okay. It's like the, and it's not.
Excuse me, what bike is this?
It's a Talaria.
Oh, okay. Talaria?
Talaria.
Because I've been looking at this, and then there's another, the Luna.
There's a Syrah. Yeah.
Is this like the?
I think it's a little bit better.
Can I take a photo? I'm looking to get one. Can I take a photo of the brand?
For sure.
Thank you. Sorry to be weird. I just like.
No. Check out my YouTube channel too. I got a bunch of videos on it.
Cool. Older motorcycle?
Yeah.
I'm looking to get one of these. So.
It's awesome. I love it.
I'm sure in your videos you talk about why you like it better and everything.
Yeah. Okay.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
All right, guys, what's going on? It's Oregon Motorcycle, bringing you another awesome episode right here on the Willamette River in downtown Portland, Oregon, baby. And we are on this crazy e-ride. It's just a huge mix of electric everything, and it's so awesome, and I'm having so much fun. So join me on a ride tonight on this awesome Friday evening in beautiful Portland, Oregon. Yeah, this is pretty wild, man. There's got to be at least 50 rides here. And there is this skateboard right here I've been eyeballing. It is so rad. It looks like a huge RC car you hop on and ride. It's got massive shocks and stuff on it. It's rad. It's totally rad. Totally rad. All kinds of people here. A ton of one wheels. Bunch of unicycles. Even a little youngster over there on a unicycle. It's pretty sweet. A lot of Super 73s. Alright folks, if this is your first time tuning in, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And if you guys are liking my content, make sure and hit that thumbs up, the little like button down below. And if you guys want to get yourself some cool merch like this is one of them. Probably can't see it because got this backpack strap in the way, but click the links down below in the descriptions, guys, and you guys can get yourself some merch. And I got links to like all my gear and stuff down there too, so it's pretty sweet. So yeah, check this out, man. It is a beautiful, awesome Friday evening downtown Portland, baby.
I get the two mixed up. It's nice though, I like it.
Thank you.
So we're on some awesome bike trails. I mean, look at these paths right here. They just go right up the river, or actually down the river. This river flows north. So it'd be nice to live there. Wow, right on the river. So the cool thing about this ride is I'm discovering some new trails and paths and everything around Portland, which is pretty rad, because I would have never known about these paths and these trails and these bridge crossings. Pretty amazing. All right, the sun is setting and this ride is still going on. We stopped here at the Lucky Labrador to get a tasty beverage, take a break. I don't know what's gonna happen. I think the ride continues. A lot of people here. Those Super 73s are rad. I like those things a lot. I got some cool lights. I need to get some lights for my bike. Fast scooters and fast skateboards here. This light's not that bad being stocked. Looks like the first time I think I've ridden this thing at night. All right, here we go. Dang, look, a little junior right there. 7-year-old on a one wheel, or I mean on an electric unicycle. And he's tearing it up like nobody's business. Whoa.